We good?
It's the same way how they told that Jamaican lady that sued Beyonce for copyright infringement and won, that she was crazy. It's the same way they told the Jamaican guy that sued Miley Cyrus he was crazy and he won. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Lincoln3dot and Cardi B. Cardi B just released a song Bongos, and Lincoln3dot says it sounds very familiar to his song Bong. So this one is coming from Urban Islands. So big up Urban Islands. Let's get into this story.
Cardi B says she have never heard of Lincoln3dot. Says she wishes Lincoln3dot would sue because he is gonna lose.
His song for Bongos. Would you like to address that rumor for the people that believe it, or just let
yes,
it
that is.
go?
You know, the thing about it is, I never heard of him. I never heard of that song. But it's just like I said, this.
Dancehall artist Lincoln3dot says he is surprised at the similarities between his song Bang and the recent release Bongos by Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion, and believes that Cardi B producer ripped his track illegally. The Jamaican artist reacted to the song similarities on Friday, September 8th, writing on Instagram, "Am I tripping?" Lincoln3dot exclusively told Urban Islands that he believes that they sampled his track without authorization. Lincoln3dot released Bang, a 2-minute 20-second song and accompanying video 2 years ago. The track has 1.8 million views on YouTube and gave the rising artist some traction for his career. Now it seems that the track and catchy Bang Bang hook is getting a new life in Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion Bongos, and Lincoln3dot believes that the song producer, who follows his producer Trackstar on Instagram, illegally sampled the track. "Me and the producer definitely want to take legal action," he said to Urban Islands, added that he was waiting for the song to gain traction while he sought out the legal representation. Lincoln claims that Cardi B producer James D. Steed, who previously received credits on her debut album Invasion of Privacy, Get Up 10, and on the song Up, knows his producer Trackstar. Trackstar is a New York-based producer whose real name is Emilio Bowens. He is a chart-topping producer for songs like Hood Celebrity, Walking Trophy, and others. Star is also a music writer and has credits under the name El Captain, and has produced for reggaeton singer Karol G and Grammy Award-winning artist Shaggy. He has also worked with Best of the Best like Sean Paul, Charlie Black, and many award-winning artists, and his fame as a music producer in the hip-hop dancehall music world is undeniable. The producer for Cardi B's song knows my producer. He knows Trackstar. He follows Trackstar on Instagram. We really know where it's coming from. He's the one that did that and the whole sampling of our sound, Lincoln3dot told us. Lincoln also says his song is not sample of any existing music as suggested by fans of Cardi B online. Many claim that the beat is a Dominican Republic style beat. However, Lincoln3dot said that his producer Trackstar created the beat and the copyright is jointly held by them. Both artists have earned money from the streaming of the song and publishing since its release. Cardi B's team has not reacted to the allegation, but on social media, fans have played the song side by side and many believe it is the exact beat. Lincoln3dot fans also reacted to the sampling. "Yep, I knew it. Yep, I knew you would catch it. So we're going to court," one person wrote. "LOL, this was my first thought when I heard the song," another fan said. "Definitely not. I thought of you from the moment they dropped the snippet," another fan said. While another advised, "I'd say this to you. Find out if there's an interpolation of something else before you make a move. And if you realize you were ripped off, lawyer up. If not." So Cardi was on some radio station and they asked her about the song that Lincoln3dot is alleging that she stole. And she called Lincoln a dummy, and I'll play that clip for you guys right now.
why you need to this is how you need educate yourself, because bong is something that is it's Brazilian funk. You know what I'm saying? It's Brazilian funk. So y'all saying that is like you look so stupid because you really then copying somebody else's culture and you don't even realize that. You dummy, big dummy. I wish he tried to sue. He gonna lose bad.
Okay, because baby, your lawyers are the go. Your
Like,
lawyers are
come on now. It's like
always sounded incomplete because the hook, like bong, 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 I was like, I just want to let this ride out because this is so addicting, but it still sounded incomplete. So then I started putting my verses on it, like where like the parts where Megan is at, like when you hear it, like thing, but it just sounded to me like a long ass song, like.
So you guys can hear her calling Lincoln a dummy. And one thing I will say is Cardi is well in tune with Jamaican culture. Real OG Cardi fans will remember when she was on Instagram live back in the day singing Vibes Cartel and Spice songs. So she's well aware and she's well know and into Jamaican dancehall reggae culture. So she can front. But and I'm not going to say she knows Lincoln3dot and knows his music and knew the song, because not everyone is gonna know him. Um, but I will say calling Lincoln a dummy is disrespectful as hell. I don't care who you are. Put some respect on Jamaican dancehall and reggae artist name, because everything you Dominicans or you Latin Spanish people do, you guys take it from reggae dancehall music. From reggaeton to dembow, it's all origin from dancehall music. Let's get into the back history of how dembow and reggaeton was created. Dembow is a Dominican musical genre that can be traced to a rhythm that originated in Jamaican dancehall. When Shabba Ranks released Dembow in 1990, it did not take long for the Dembow genre to form rhythms. Rhythms were built from the song, and the song became a popular part of reggaeton. From there, it took off in Dominican Republic, creating the sound Underworld Banjo Mondo in Spanish. It hit the streets of New York, and from there it made its way to all of Latin America. So please put some respect on reggae and dancehall artists' name that are still doing reggae and dancehall music. And this is why I have a lot of discourse with Latin and Spanish people, because they took our stuff, they made it into their own. That's fine, but they do not respect the originators. They don't respect the creators. And Cardi B, I love you, girl, but you're perpetuating the same thing that they do in your culture. They take black people stuff and then creators make it their own, and then they don't respect the people that they took it from. And it really pisses me off, especially with reggaeton, how disrespectful a lot of those reggaeton artists or Spanish Latin artists are when they ask them about reggae dancehall music, or they ask them if they would collab with reggae dancehall artists. They're hella disrespectful. They give no props. They don't show any respect. And Cardi B calling Lincoln3dot, you're just doing the same thing. It's the same way how they told that Jamaican lady that sued Beyonce for copyright infringement and won, that she was crazy. It's the same way they told the Jamaican guy that sued Miley Cyrus he was crazy and he won. So big up to Lincoln, big up to Trackstar. Nothing against you, Cardi, but go get the bag, because they definitely, from what I can hear, have a case. And if they can prove that Cardi B producer follows Trackstar on Instagram and listened to the bong song and sampled it illegally, they have a case. They have a real case. And I don't care how high powered and how good Cardi think her lawyers are. I'm sure Beyonce had top and high powered lawyer, and she still lose to a Jamaican woman whose music sound very similar. Being said, because I'm heated. With that being said, I'm gonna end this video here. Like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.